So then एक तो जय जगन्नाथ बनता है. Yes. Okay. I say Jai. You say Jagannath. Okay. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Jai. 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 Okay. Now the energy is on. Okay. Now I'll say 3, 2, 1. You have to tell me Jai Jagannath. Okay. Are we ready? No. Are we ready? Yeah, that's the Josh. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Once more. Once more. Amazing. Now can we come back to the questions? Okay. Alright. What is the tagline of Disha the Habitat? Tagline. Come home is the right answer. Your good name, sir. Ashish, yes. Ashish gets a special prize. We'll give you the prizes a little later. Okay. Now comes the real questions. What is the total land parcel size of the project? 8 feet? How much? 500. 5 acres. 800. 850, 100. Wow, I believe the Tambola game is happening right now. Right? They're all guessing numbers. Okay, I'll give you options. Okay, because I have the right answer with me. Okay, I'll repeat the question again. What is the total land parcel size of the project? Total land size. How many of you have visited the stall? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of hands raised will give you an answer. 42. 20 acres is the right answer. Ma'am, your good name. Can we have you on stage? Yes, for the prize. Yes, so 20 acres is the right answer. Can we give a huge round of applause for ma'am, please? This is not a huge round of applause. This is a small round of applause. Okay, next question. How many towers are there in phase 1 and in phase 2? Where are this number coming from? 38, wrong answer. 55, wrong answer. 60, wrong answer. Hey. Now you're all guessing numbers. Okay. On the count of 3 to 1, Jai Jagannath. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now what we will do, we'll pass the mic, whoever raises their hand, and then you get to tell the answer. Okay? You have to hand raise it. Okay, can we have the mic? Thank you. So please pass it on. Okay, I will repeat the question again. How many towers are there in phase 1 and in phase 2? You have to get the mic. 48, wrong answer. 32, wrong answer. 30, wrong answer. We are overloaded with wrong answers.
Hello.
Yes. Mic is coming to you.
Mic is coming.
Mic is coming to you. 46, wrong answer. 42. Okay, what do you mean by a tower? Tower. Correct. So that is the kind of number you have to say. Okay, 42 cannot be towers. Okay.
7. This sir is disqualified because he is ex-association. Disqualified.
But the answer is right. So phase 2 has 7 towers. Okay. Now at least tell me phase 1. 3 is the right answer. Is he also a part of the association?
No.
No. Then he gets another prize. Okay. The right answer. Can we now have a huge round of applause? Huge round of applause, I said. Come on. That's a Josh. Now, what is the size of the clubhouse? house. What do? We 55,000. Little more. 85,000. Little more. 63,000. Little more. 150. 1,50,000. Little close. Little close. 1 lakh. 2 lakh. No. I feel I'm running a tender here, you know. 1,50,000. Wrong answer. 80,000. Wrong answer. Yes, sir. Louder. 85,000. Close. Very nice. It is coming up. Okay. Okay. Now, the answer is somewhere between 1 lakh to 1,50,000. It's in between. 1 lakh 20. 1 lakh 25. 35. That's the right answer. 1 lakh 35 is the right answer. So imagine a clubhouse with a square feet of 1,35,000. Right? Now stop thinking. Let's go to the next question. How many indoor and outdoor amenities are there in total? Essay. You have to take the mic and tell me. Mic. All the first benchers disqualified. 40 is the right answer. So 40 indoor and outdoor community. Indoor and outdoor both 40 amenities. That's the right answer. Can we have a huge round of applause? Are you doing chat GPT? Oh. So which means you have taken the brochure seriously. Yes. Ma'am, we have a customer here. Okay. Last question. How many passenger elevators are in the premium tower? 3 is the right answer. Okay. Congratulations to all the winners. Everybody who said the right answer and got a congratulations from my end can come up and collect your prizes after we describe our Disha the Habitat. Okay. Now you've heard enough from me. Do you want to know more? Do you want to know more? Then we have the sales team. Can we have Sanjay on the stage, please? Can we have a huge round of applause right now? Huge round of applause. Come on.
Good evening, everyone. Jai Jagannath. I hope all of you are enjoying the festival. So, firstly, on behalf of Disha Habitat, we sincerely thank the SDA Association for giving us this wonderful opportunity, along with the Jagannath Rath Yatra Committee, to be a part of this grand celebration. It's truly a pleasure to be here among all of you. Festivals like Rath Yatra remind us of faith, togetherness, and creating lifelong memories. Just like these celebrations bring families together, we believe a home should be a place where every family creates memories that lasts a lifelong time. Today, it gives us immense pleasure to introduce Disha Pursuit of the Elements, our largest and one of the most thoughtfully designed townships located at Gunju, next to the foundation school. Since 2014, this marks our 6th residential project, and we are proud to share that every one of our previous projects has been completely sold out. What makes us even prouder is the trust our customers have shown us over the years. Nearly 60% of our homeowners in every project are families who have already experienced living in Disha community. Their continued trust motivates us to build even better communities. With Pursuit of the Elements, we combined everything we have learned over the years along with valuable homeowner feedback to create a township that offers comfort, convenience, and elevated lifestyle. Spread across 20 acres, the project consists of over 1,200 homes while preserving nearly 40% of the land as open green spaces, allowing residents to enjoy nature every day. Inspired by the five elements of nature,
What are the five elements of nature? Water, air, water, air, earth. Are they right?
I can hear water and air.
Water and air.
Sorry? Sorry. No. Wind. You are close.
Soil,
Water, air,
soil,
almost near. Close to that. Earth. Fire. Fourth. We have the fourth answer.
fifth one.
The last.
There we have somebody saying.
Fire is already.
Space. We got the answer there, space. That's the right answer. We have the smart audience.
So we got all the five elements from the audience itself. So it's water, air, earth, fire, and space. So the township offers more than 80 thoughtfully planned indoor and outdoor amenities, which will combine all of these elements together for you. So it also is thoughtfully designed and made for all the age groups. Now further, to add on to this, to walk you through our homes and clubhouse and the experience, lifestyle experience, I would like to invite Miss Jagrati onto the stage. With big round of applause, please.
Can we have our gorgeous Jagrati on the stage now? With a huge round of applause, guys. Thank you. Hello.
Joy Jagannath and good evening to everyone present here. So, thank you Sanjay so much. So, is it home just a piece of concrete or a brick wall structure? No, right? It's not just about the beautiful architecture. It's about the lifestyle, the happiness, the sorrows that you share with your loved ones inside that beautiful divine place. At Disha portion of the elements, the community comprises 7 elegant residential towers along with 60 executive villas thoughtfully designed for the modern and the beautiful families out there. At the heart of the township stands our largest ever clubhouse. It is one of the massive clubhouse in the whole East Bangalore region, spread across impressive 1,35,000 square feet over 3 levels. So, every space within the clubhouse has been carefully designed to meet the needs of every member of the family, no matter whichever category you fall for, whether you're a senior citizen, a teenager, an adult, or a cute little toddler. Whether it's a business cafe for professionals, a presidential sky lounge, dedicated spaces for children, seniors, families, there is something for each and everyone out here. The rooftop offers a unique experience with a temperature-controlled swimming pool, a kids' jacuzzi, tropical mocktail bar, terrace cafe, banquet hall, guest rooms, and recovery rooms. The lower levels include fully equipped gym, spa, salon, yoga deck, music and dance studios, study rooms, senior lounge, mini theater, indoor games, daycare center, supermarket, hoof, and whatnot. All thoughtfully planned within the community itself. Every corner has been designed to make everyday living comfortable, enjoyable, and convenient for each and every resident. But, the experience doesn't end here. To take you through the beautifully designed outdoor amenities and the excellent location inside the project, I would like to invite my beautiful colleague, Razia, to the stage. Please give a round of applause to her. Thank you.
Can we have our beautiful girl Razia on the stage now?
Hello everyone.
Hello,
Thank you
to
so
bolo.
much.
Hello everyone.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now Razia, all yours.
I am Razia. Now you know me.
shed a light on outdoor amenities. What is amenities? Facilities like what? What do you do outdoors? Play? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you enjoy it? Great. Let me also tell you something about it. It's not only games. It's not only something you play. It is lifestyle, right? You love it. You enjoy it. Life is very beautiful when you enjoy the moment. When you come outdoors, when you see the nature, indoor is good, definitely it is. But coming outdoors, you fall, you play, you cry, then again you'll be happy, right? So I just wanted to explain you what is outdoor amenities. It's a lifestyle. Life becomes a very beautiful, it becomes enjoyable. Not only the kids, it's not for the kids, it's for the parents. They live their childhood with their kids. Don't you so? And the white t-shirt. Do you enjoy it? Do you have kids? How many? How do you like it when they fall? You remember yourself, right? When you fell down, isn't it? Yeah. So I want to tell you what is in Disha Habitat. What is in Disha Pursuit of Elements? At Disha Pursuit of Elements, we have created 80 plus well-designed amenities outdoor and indoor that ask people to come out of the houses, to play with the people, to get connected with each other. You know your neighbors, so how do you know them? Coming out? Okay. So here and again, so in our project, residents can enjoy beautifully landscaped gardens, reading corners, camping, barbecue spaces, picnic. Do you like picnic? Do you go to picnic? In Shobha, do you have a picnic spot? Do you go? What do you do? How about campfire? No, I'll give you a campfire. Come to home. So again, here like giving peace, living peaceful life, that doesn't mean you live in a jungle. That doesn't mean you live in a jungle, right? You need a social life. So where do our project lies? Our township here is located very close to international schools, avoiding the Vartur traffic. You live in Vartur. Which part do you like most when it comes to traffic? So, and the grey t-shirt. Yo, which part do you like in Vartur when it comes to traffic? You don't like anything. RUB. No traffic. You don't like traffic. Okay. So our project is located here in Vartur, Gunjur. It's in the heart of both these towns. And it is very close to international schools, major tech parks, your stopping destination. Ma'am, you like shopping? Do you like shopping? No? You like to? Really, right? You like to go to shopping. So we are connected very near to all these things. Renowned, again, healthcare is very important. Hospitals, you are here because everything is here. And we are here too. So with world-class amenities, expensive spaces, and prime location, Disha Pursuit of Elements offer a lifestyle thoughtfully created especially for you all.
So
Please
Razia,
come.
if I want to buy a plot or if I want to buy a home, what is the fee or what is the payment for it?
Fee or payment for it?
Yes.
You wanna
Can we
buy?
have Sanjay who can explain us the payment structure? Sanjay.
Sure. Thank you, Razia. So, as you've seen today, Disha, Pursuit of the Elements, has been thoughtfully planned to offer not just beautiful homes, but a complete lifestyle with premium amenities, abundant open spaces, and excellent connectivity. To make this occasion even more special, we are delighted to present our exclusive 1090 payment scheme, which is exclusively launched for SDA Rath Yatra event. So the plan will be 1090 scheme where you will be paying just 10% at the time of booking and remaining 90% after 2 years, which is scheduled for June, July 2028. Till then, you don't have to worry about your EMIs or any other interest. So with this said, I would like to invite you for our stall, which is set up in the common area, Disha Habitat stall.
How many of you know? Okay, the others will take you after this.
So I would like to invite all of you to visit us to know more about these payment plans and also to our experience center at Gunju. And we are officially inviting you to come home. Thank you.
Thank you. And you can also call us for the ceremony, right? That you do. Again, if you invite us, we are happy to come. Okay? Alright, thank you so much, the team of Disha the Habitat, for explaining such a good features and amenities of Disha. Now, it's time for us to
Hello.
give the raffle vouchers. How many of you know that there is a lottery ticket that you all have filled? How many of you have filled the lottery tickets? 1, 2, that's it. Then all the prizes I will take home. Okay, can we have the prizes on the stage, please? Can we have all the leaders of Disha? Yes, ma'am. Can we know what is the third prize of raffle tickets? What does it say? It's a breakfast baker. Oh shit, the one who didn't take. Yes, what is the second prize that we have? A sound bar with subwoofer. Okay, now let's see the first prize. Are we ready for the first prize? Come on, what is the first prize? It's a LED TV. How many of you are excited? Are we excited? Okay, now we will see who is lucky. All your luck is inside this. Okay, how many want to be lucky? How many of you need LED TV? Okay. So now, can we have the smallest kid here on the stage? So we have, hello, hi. Can you pick one out of this? Come ahead. Come ahead, quickly. Okay, one. Now this will be our third prize. Okay? Yes. Okay. Can you please read this number out for the third prize, ma'am?
So, prize winner is Rekha Verma. The SDA unit number is 2071.
Can we have Rekha Verma? Anywhere you are. Your breakfast baker is waiting for you. If we don't have the winner here, we will call upon again for the third prize. Fair? So do we have Rekha Verma for one last time? Anywhere? Okay. Then we'll go with the second one for the third prize. Can one of you please pick one more? One person. One. Only one. Put it back. Okay. It's Manju Gupta. Who's getting the breakfast baker? Do we have Manju Gupta here? वो तो आया. कहाँ है Manju Gupta? Where is Manju Gupta? No? Okay. Gone case. Do we have? Ma'am, do you have an Aadhaar card with you? Yeah, you are Manju Gupta. Please come on the stage, ma'am. नहीं होता है, correct. So the others will tell if it is Manju Gupta. नहीं? Okay. Now, can we have, sir, can you pick the second one? This is for the second prize. Let's see who's lucky. Yes, you can say. Okay. We have Arpit. We have Arpit from 50034. Do we have Arpit here? Do we have Arpit? Okay, the second prize is gone. We'll see the next lucky person. You want to pick? One. Second prize में सिर्फ एक ही होता है, दो नहीं होते हैं. Okay. Balakrishna from the flat number 10008. Balakrishna. Balakrishna once. Balakrishna twice. Balakrishna thrice. And the second prize is gone to the next person. Pick one more. Okay, we have Milind Arya. Do we have Milind Arya here? No? Okay, Milind Arya once, Milind Arya twice, Milind Arya thrice. From the flat number 19121. Don't we have? Okay, we'll move for the next lucky winner. Abhi itna luck hai. I wish it was me. I would have just taken that home now. Yes, can you please the next one? Can you pick? Huh. Do we have Tuhin? Tuhin from the flat number 29091. Do we have Tuhin? Who is Tuhin? Father. Where is your father? At home. Very nice. Come up. You come up. So we have the second prize winner, Tuhin from the flat number 29091. Wherever Tuhin is sitting at home, you've got a prize. Your kid is getting home. Which is? What are you getting second prize? You don't know? Ayyo. Okay, we'll show you. Come. Please join us. Now, are we ready for the first winner? Yes? Yes? No? Okay, who wants to pick? You. Okay. You can pick one. Huh. Oh my God. I know this person. I'm thinking if it's that person. The name starts with A. What is my name? Aishwarya from flat number 48033. We have Aishwarya on the plate. Can we have a huge round of applause? Come on. See, I told you I am lucky. Right? Okay, can we please distribute the prizes, please? How are you feeling, Aishwarya? First prize. Aishwarya to Aishwarya.
No words.
LED TV is coming home.
No words, seriously.
Okay. To Hints, daughter, how are you feeling? Happy. Yes, can we have a huge round of applause for all the winners, guys? Come on. Yes, second prize. It's a sound bar. Yes, can we have a huge round of applause, please, everybody? Come on. All the lucky winners, I would say. It's very hard to be lucky. Yes. Now our first winner, Aishwarya. Come on, can we have some whistles? Some whistles at the end. We got one. Congratulations to all the winners.
Requesting all the Disha Habitat guys, please be on stage.
Yes.
I will request Lipi Samantra madam to please facilitate the Disha Habitat.
Can we have the entire team of Disha Habitat on the stage right now? So there are prizes even for the questions, I hope you remember. There are prizes pending, so you all will get that. Okay? With that, you all remember Tambola that's happening. So those prizes are also waiting for you. Okay?
Lipi Samantrai facilitating the Disha Habitat team.
দেবাশিস ভাই দিশা ওয়ার্ডিংটা পছরে পজ করে দিও
Yes. Cheese.
Thanks to our sponsors for sponsoring this divine cultural program and this auspicious Rath Yatra journey. Thank you very much. Disha
Thank
team.
you, everyone. Thank you so much.
So, moving on to next, the sport.